Now I'm taking another question from the combinational clipper, and let the circuit is given in this way. We have to draw the output waveform for this given circuit. So step 1, first we have to see what is the battery potential connected with diode D1 and D2. So here the battery potential is of 5 volt and another battery potential is of 2 volt. So first step, draw the battery potential in this input waveform. Draw a horizontal line of 5 volt and another horizontal line of 2 volt. If my input voltage is greater than 5 volt, let's the input voltage is 6 volt, then 6 volt is going to appear at this point, and at the same time the 6 voltage is going to appear at this point. In that condition your D1 is on, D2 is off. D1 on means we have to replace this D1 by short circuit, D2 off means open circuit. Now the output voltage is nothing but the voltage across this. How much? V out equal to 5 volt. The second condition, once my input voltage is less than 2 volt, this is the 2 volt, input is less than 2 volt. In that condition, what is my output voltage? So let's less than 2 voltage means I can apply here 0 volt. So at 0 volt D1 is off, D2 is on. If I am going to apply minus 2 volt, then also D1 is off, D2 is on, and output is nothing but equal to 2 volt, because we have to replace this by short circuit, this by open path, and the output is nothing but the voltage across this 2.2 volt. Now third condition, if my input is greater than 2 volt and less than 5 volt, for example the input is 3 volt, so 3 volt is going to appear at this point and 3 volt is also going to appear at this point. In that condition D1 is off, D2 also off, right? If both are off means this path is open, this path is open, output is nothing but the voltage across B. So to draw the output waveform, we have to draw a horizontal line of plus 5 volt, another horizontal line of plus 2 volt. And you mark here point A and B. Here you mark this point as a C. Draw a vertical line from this point to the point where it is going to intersect this plus 5 volt. The same from point B also. So once your input is greater than 5 volt, the output is 5 volt. It means from here to here the output is equal to 5 volt. And the second condition, you draw a line from the point C to the point where it is going to intersect this 2 volt, and again from the point D also, right? So once your input in the range of 5 volt to 2 volt, the output is going to follow the input. I mean to say the slope of output will be same as the slope of input. From here to here also same. Now in third case, once my input is less than 2 volt, I mean to say it is 0 volt or minus 10 volt, the output remain 2 volt. So from this point to this point, the output is always 2 volt. From this 0 to 2 volt, output will be at 2 volt. Whether input is 0 volt or 1 volt or 2 volt, output will be always 2 volt. So this is the output waveform for the given circuit diagram. Thank you everyone. Anyone have the doubt, please ask me.